Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Jira password, a quick but important step to keep your account secure. First, open your browser and log into Jira. Once inside, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. On the account page, click the Security tab. Here you'll see the option to change your password. Type in your current password to confirm it's really you, then enter your new password. Make sure it's strong. Use a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter the new password to confirm, then click Save Changes. That's it. Your Jira password is now updated. Remember, updating your passwords regularly is one of the best ways to keep your account safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick tech guides.